This is not a story about drama. This is a story about dignity. 2 police vans, dozens of officers, 1 man secretly arrested, taken all the way from Burgers Fort to Kempton Park, police station, and with all that power present, not a single right explained, not a single form given. Mabena, Yende, and Mohane have a lot of explaining about these. Today, Advocate Mnisi blows it open. What we are witnessing here is not a mistake. It is a constitutional moment. Let me ask you something. How does a trained police officer forget to explain rights? How do many officers forget the same rule at the same time? And how do you move a citizen across provinces without a single document? In our law, rights are not optional. They are the foundation of dignity. The right to remain silent, the right to legal representation, the right to know why you are being detained. These are not privileges. They are hard-won protections. So ask yourself, if the law is broken at the moment of arrest, if the law is broken in the interrogation room, if the law is broken in secret, what exactly is left of justice? Listen very carefully to what comes next.
Yes, Mr. As it is the court. As it is the court, madam. Mr. Zongo, and good morning again.
Sibingelele futhi.
Are you well?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now this will be the last one from me. Now remember yesterday we spoke about how statements get taken, that's all?
Uyakhumbula ukuthi izolo sikhulume ukuthi ke istatement esenziwa kanjani noma sithathwa kanjani?
Yebo.
Yes, I do recall.
And I also mentioned that because your circumstances were a bit murky, I don't know whether you arrested, you were treated as a witness or as a suspect. You still remember that?
Ngasho ke nokuthi ke esakho ke isimo sona ke sasingacaci ke ngingazi ukuthi wawufakazi noma wawumsolo.
But let's go back. At the Burgers Fort, where Mabena instructed you to be handcuffed and you were put into the motor vehicle, so were there any rights that were explained to you?
Sike sihlehlele umuva ke eBurgers Fort la khona ke uMabena athi awuboshwe noma ufakwe kona ke ozankosi akhona yini amalungelo owawatshela? No.
Thank you. Now, you subsequently were driven to Metlibek where you had a conversation with Mr. Yende. I'll call him Mr. Yende because I do not know his rank then. He asked you certain questions. Did he explain any rights to you?
Waseke uyahanjiswa ke uyakhona Middleburg la uthi khona ke waxoxisana nomnumzana uYende angisikhumbula nje isikhundla sakhe noma irank yakhe ke lapho ke akhona yini amalungelo owawachazela? No.
Thank you. Subsequent to that, you were driven now by Sergeant Mohane and Sergeant Mabena to a place in Kempton Park, which was a holding cell, or to a jail in Kempton Park, not so?
Emva kwalokho wase uhanjiswa ke uyena uSergeant Mabena noSergeant Mohane bekusakhona ke eKempton Park kunjalo?
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that's correct.
Arrival at Kempton Park, you were locked into the cell after your fingerprints were taken by Sergeant Mohane, not so?
Seniqedile ke noSergeant uMohane uthatha ithupha wase uyahanjiswa ke uya emaselini.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Were there any rights explained by him at that moment or before he could take you to the cells?
Ngaleso sikhathi leso kakhona yini amalungelo achazela wona noma ngaphambili kokuthi ke ahambisa kusemaselini? No.
Thank you. Except for fingerprints being taken by Sergeant Mohane, did you receive any documentation there? Did he give you any document or a paper?
Ngaphandle kokuthi ke uSergeant Mohane athathe ithupha ngaba khona yini awakunikeza khona sithi nje iphepha noma amaphepha khona nje akunikeza khona? No.
Thank you. Now the following day, which was on a Monday, Sergeant Mohane comes around midday, he takes you out and then it takes you to the boardroom where you met Brigadier Kininda and his company, the 6 people that you mentioned, not so?
Ngelanga elilandelayo kwakusengumsombuluko wafika-ke uSergeant Mokgane wakhipha oya nawe eboardroom la owahlangana khona-ke noBrigadier Kininda nethimba lakhe.
Yep.
Yes.
Were the rights explained there? Or
Lapho.
did anyone they explain your rights there?
Lapho ukhona yini owakutshela ngamalungelo?
Cha, akekho.
No, no one.
Thank you. Then, after your interaction with them, Sergeant Mohane comes back again and then he takes you back to this holding cells. Then the following day, which was the Tuesday, he comes and takes you back again to the very same boardroom, not so?
Emva kwalokho-ke wasefika-ke uSergeant Mokgane wakuthatha wakubuyisela khona-ke emaselini la ngelilandelayo ngolwesibili wakhipha futhi wakubuyisela kuyona leya boardroom futhi.
Yep.
Yes.
Where you met Brigadier Kininda and his entourage or his colleagues.
La owahlangana khona-ke naye uBrigadier Kininda kanye nethimba lakhe noma ozakwabo.
Yep.
Yes.
Were any rights explained there, sir?
Lapho akhona amalungelo yini owachazela?
Cha.
No.
Thank you, Mr. Zungu. My Lord, let me confirm with my clients if there is anything that I need to confirm with him again. Thank you. Thank you for the indulgence, my Lord. Mr. Zungu, Mr. Sbia says there's a place that you mentioned that you met him at Fossil Race. I think that was in 2017. At the ShopRite spot, the shop, is it the ShopRite place or shop that you say you realized that it was packed to capacity and then you had to go to some other place where you ultimately bought liquor. Do you still remember that?
Ingabe yakhumbula yini usho ngobufakazi bakho bayizolo-ke usibuye uthi-ke kunale ndawo oyishilo uthi la enani yothenga khona-ke nase nathola ukuthi eShoprite kugcwele najika-ke naya kwenye indawo la enathenga khona.
Yangishilo uthi khona la sahlangana ngaphandle kwase-hostel.
Yes, I did mention that there was this particular place outside the hostel where we met.
Yes, but then you also made mention of the fact that you wanted to go buy liquor, but then you realized that the ShopRite was full and then you had to go buy it somewhere.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you still remember that?
Yes.
Yeah. Mr. Sbia says, if you can, just explain how that place looked like, the place that you went or the ShopRite or something like that.
Usibuye-ke uthi uma kuwukuthi nje unako-ke noma usakhumbula-ke uma ungayisho uyichaze leya ndawo leyana la eShoprite ikhona ukuthi yindawo ekanjani.
If ngikhumbula kwakuyikhona into because waqhamuka 18 ngathi mhlawumbe kwaumuntu wayeqeda gunda ngathi kuyisalon like.
If I remember well, it looked like a container or some sort of a saloon like, because as he came out, he was sort of dusting himself,
Yeah.
as if he had just finished shaving.
No, not the place where he went to shave his hair, but that area there.
Usho indawo le la uShoprite akhona-ke le uthi nani yothenga khona nathola ukuthi kugcwele eShoprite ukuthi yindawo ekanjani uma ungayisho uyichaze leya ndawo leya.
Kule ndawo enyana la eduze nase-hostel uma ungathi uyehla kancane lapha ngathi i-complex inyana like.
There is a place that's next to the hostel if you go down that looks like a complex.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's the place that you're referring to as a ShopRite.
Esasifuna ukuthenga khona utshwala sajika sabe siya phezulu kune-ShopRite likhwa lapho.
Yes, that's where we wanted to buy liquor, but then we made this U-turn and went up. There's a ShopRite liquor there.
Oh, okay. No, thank you. I think that will suffice. Thank you, Mr. Zongo. That will be all from me for now. Thank you,
Ngiyabonga-ke
Manas.
okwamanje kuse kangako-ke saphelele lapho.
Thank you, Mr. Zongo.
There it is, in his own words. No rights, no paperwork. This is no longer an allegation. This is an admission. And in law, admissions are fatal. Because when an arrest is unlawful, when an interrogation is unlawful, every statement that follows becomes suspect. This case is no longer only about Makosonke. It is about whether the system itself respected the Constitution. If you believe the law must protect the weak as strongly as it protects the powerful, if you believe dignity is not negotiable, and if you believe justice begins with procedure, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and tell me in the comments, was this a lawful process or a constitutional violation? I'm Skybridge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next serious breakdown. Bye-bye.